down with the set. Ay, me and my bitch, we got a bitch. Yeah, we treat her like a pet. Ay, EBK, if you all in the way, you in the field with a vet. Ay, bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Toda esa puta saben who I am, so she wanna check this beach on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. 4 lines are better, I pull up. Ay, bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Toda esa puta saben who I am, so she wanna check this beach on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up.
What's up, guys? We are with another live session. All fine and good. I have one good. The good news is we are at all highs, right? And the bad news, we don't know the target. We are off the grid. So bless us. Let's see what the NQ is doing now. We reached the 830 price, and we are now the high. You can see this higher high looking very, very. So if we get a nice signal, we can basically in position, or we can wait until retest of this midnight opening price. But before we do that, we just want to know that we are on the right side of the market. Why? Because it's the Monday are tricky because it's a creation of the new week high low, and a new week opening gap. Where is it? It's under the London low, here. Did we trade into that? Let's see. No, we did into market basically rally, and now we are trading all highs. Patiently waiting for an execution at the moment, and I can see that I can show my fib right now. We are exactly of the equilibrium point of this high and the low. So the first we need to do is patience. Your voice is lagging. How come is that lagging? I don't know. Is it because of me or the YouTube? Let me see what can I do. All right, so we have now 5 minutes, and hopefully they are and good. Let me see. We are. Hello, Pharaoh. What's up, my friend? Okay. So the patience never fails, right? And you can see that we just touched the midnight open here, and basically rejected. I think is wait for the market open, then we will take care of it. Okay. Let's see what market will give us. Yeah, man. I think we are bullish, right? So if the Dow Jones and ES, you can see that we have a correlated between NQ and, but the Dow is rallying aggressively today. Most of the time it comes lower than the NQ and ES. All right. I think we have a little bit lag, but stream is not lagging, but my voice is lagging somehow. If you guys think this issue, do a refresh, okay? So if I take any trade, we'll see live screen. 2.5 minutes. On the right side, you see the top step X, and on the left side, you see my trade weight accounts. No hindsight, you will see all the trade. Is Emmanuel, what's up, my friend? You go official in the house. Good to see you guys. I think I played the audio bitrate. That's why it crashed. The next time I'll fix it. Oh my god, is it that bad? Who here? What's up? See you guys. No, it's not because of you, because of my stream. I increased the audio quality to max and it's lag. No worries, we'll fix on next time. Because if I try to do that now, we might get disconnection. So let's keep it that way, because the video shouldn't be lagged. It should be like 3 to 5. All right. Plus. Okay. Focus on the chart. ATR is 4.7. Oh my god. Very low. Very, very low. Alright, we got plus sell. I still want to see the what is good. We can go for the quick scalp. Second, ladies and gentlemen. We can take the stop here. Oh shit! I this. Oh fuck! It hurts. Jesus, look at beautiful here. Oh my god. Crazy. Beautiful A+. It out very well. Oh boy. Okay. Target smashed. Oh my god. Retest of 930. The next thing is definitely the Asia low. It's crazy accuracy today. Oh my god. I can't believe that failed. Hi GMA Forex. Beautiful, beautiful price action. London low still in the play, and we smashed it. It's working like a clock, because the market always does what? Hunting for liquidity level, and London low was the absolute level. Look at this, market got rejected from the point. Let's see the chart. And what we received an A plus here, and we smashed the London. I don't surprise if we write this to the low here. Oh, GM. Oh my God, big crash. Liquidity grab. It grabbed all the liquidity and orders here, Houthi dog. I don't know. I see the Asia low now. I see the Asia low now. My God. The first signal of the week is literally banking here. It is crazy. Did you guys took it? Please tell me some of 9:34. Okay. We have still 5 minutes till this macro end. This is what is called a big fat candle, my friends. 55 of a signal. Called out live here, and it's going. No surprise. We do this every day, huh? You know, live streaming and trading is not easy, but when the technical issues kicks in, it becomes harder. Did not take. Oh, guys, I really want it. I didn't gut filled. Like it immediately happened after the bar close. Crazy, huh? One of the best signals. Because today is the Monday. Let's see what it will come. Yes, and 604. Let's go. Accounts. Fuck. Sniper entries, my friend. Yeah, you go official. I waited the same, but you know it was a big mistake because you know why? I put my order here. I put stop here. My target was the London low, right? Beautiful trade. What is the risk? Well, I don't know why I didn't push the market. It's because, you know, look at this. In the 5 contracts, my risk was $100. Come on. Oh, you took it, GMI? I'm so glad some of us banked on this. Now, you know, it's very easy, right? Because when the price going down, check one thing. Is there any dump on the way? What I mean by that dump, is there any fair value gap? Is there any like midnight opening price? Do we have it? No. And what happened? The speed in daily. Look at this. Look how beautiful the price is dropping. And the reason is because we only had a one bullish fair gap on the way. But look at here. How many fair value gaps now we have on the upside? Lot of. And that cause bumps on the way. It doesn't mean that price go up and took out the high of the day. But What I want to say is, when there is a target and when there is a comes, watch for the speed. Let's write this trade. Just it. So, of course, you know, the market always played games. And now the time is 9:38. It comes to the Asia low, right? It's like 5 points. It didn't clear that up. Because also reason market used to play games. And now it's play games because you are targeting the low. And that's why we're taking partials at the London low. With partials on the way. But we always leave a runner. Now, where is my stop loss? My stop is exactly at this fair value gap. We're talking about Borsa. If I see inversion here, right? Be inversion, I'm out of this. Easy like that. There is an inversion, we are out. Just like that. So, I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. Let me see the. We have a cam issue here. All right. It's a beautiful start for the week and session. We just started. So the first trade, first signal, massive win. You can just go back and rewatch and how the signal we called the live the market. So if you guys have any questions, don't be shy. Just throw it away. So 70 points of a signal here. And I believe if you don't get inverted, the target is definitely low. So look for that. I want to do an announcement here. Starting 1st of July. Did you see to post? I will start a trading bootcamp. Yes. Trading bootcamp, and it's complete. No charge. What you will learn? You learn from zero to hero. Literally from the zero. I will teach the market types. I will teach the order types. Right? Teach what is prop firm. I will teach you everything. So let's say your friend have no idea how to trade. If she come and watch this free bootcamp, she will to trade like me. That's it. I have covered lot of concepts, lot of stuff of this trading. And the first episode is dropping tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this now. Are we market live or what? Did we get the inversion? No. And what happened now? The market now pushes down again. And where it's going? Tell me. Asia low. And now I will teach you one more thing. When the price comes, let's say the London low, right? You target London low. You put the take profit exactly at the London low. The market never comes and touch the London low. What it does? It come, touch, and it expands. Talking about again. I'm talking about you can make more. So Asia low is the target now, right? So Asia low is 803, let's say. You can put your take profit at 800, 799. Because it will expand. Why? Because it will create a new low. That's how it works. All right, it's now, I think 9:41, the macro ends. Maybe we see chop now, then delivery at 9:50, which can be a continuation. So we trade macros AM session 90% of the time. The first one is what? Some of you guys already know it. Doing a golden nuggets here. The first one 920, 1010, and the third 20, 940, and 950. The next macro 60% of the time, statistically, trend continuation. What is the trend now? On the down, right? So you can feel safe, sit back and relax, stop at this inversion. What we get? A 5-minute bearish fair, crazy. So there is a lot of bumps for the upside. You can now relax. So the final macro is the 1050 to 1110. If you don't get reversal at 1020, most of the time we get it on 1050. It's how it works. Awesome. Thank you, Hootie Dog. Right, boys and girls. Streaming live on YouTube is one of my favorite things because I can reach and more people here. But the downside of this, maybe it's because, but we got some tech issues. If you got these stupid issues on this, if you are in the Discord, you already know that. So now the patience, and you know, most of the time there's one important thing for confirmation. You get the signal. Not signals is banking, not possible, but there are some that you can more confirmations on the way, and which increase your win rate. This is how you should do. So the A plus signal, and midnight opening price here at 8:30. You see they're close to each other. You can wait a clear candle closure below all of that, and you know this make like 90% chance that you reach the old target. Don't take, go and back test it. When the market and you get the candle closure 8:30, 9:30 and midnight, right? Like this. Target is downside. Happening. Go back and watch. Now the is coming 9:44, all right? And boom. Now we will watch for the 2 count, but it doesn't enough. I want to see like 800s. 800s, 799s. So it will expand. It will create a new. I don't see on my Twitter. Why? Okay, the first thing most of the people get it wrong is the time zone. You need to choose the New York, and you need to enable the macro and sure that you are on the MNQ. Now I'm on the MNQ. Can I believe the same signal on the NQ? Yeah, 29 we got the signal on MNQ, the screener. So we're waiting for the now. I like this kind of pullbacks on all-time highs because it now creates a high for us to target. Because when the market up, how can you target? How can you look into position, right? Of us wanting that you need to have a target. There needs to be a target to put my take profit. Okay, if I don't have it, what I can basically is like take my Fibonacci tool, take this low, take this high, and look for the levels. So when I'm talking about minus, I can target that, right? So you can do that. But when we got something like the previous day high, the previous high works better. So the X is good reason, and we can rely on that. And now we will look for pushback. Why? Because we are on the bullish. I think that the market will crash all the way like 3%. Now the market 0.3%. We have been on like 0.2% from this high, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, 0.3% down. So we can a reverse 50 easy like that. So we'll see. Trading is all about statistic, discipline. You know, I hate trading view new box. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoy this live session that I'm calling all the action live in front of you. Let me sip my water. And you know, The only I want is, if you guys enjoying and if you guys want me to give you the next signal, just hit the button because it motivates me, right? So when I got motivated, I more focused. A little bit more expansion on downside. It will be nice. We'll check for the SMT. The market does that. So if you notice something, the ES to Asia low yet. So I believe we SMT now. Yeah. But I don't think it will continue. Let's see. Yeah, the expansion is coming. Easy to read the market. It's not always like this. But when you get this electric, the feeling with the markets, you feel like you are synced with the price section. You can ride the wave. Surfing. Now we are surfing the candles. It feels good, I know. So how many points? Market. Yeah, 70. Good. It's good because when we get delivery like more than 100 points, you know, we got chop on the next macro. We want to see that now. We want price action. Keep it going. Keep it going. Give us a good price action. Asia low didn't got taken by the ES, and I still want to see a little bit of expansion. Come on, NQ. What do we have? This. Oh, this is the fib line. Okay. We have the line time here from Friday. We have the new week. It will be very, very interesting if we see continuation on the right. No. Well, if that happens, we'll be banger. Don't worry, I will all the price action here. So in the 40 seconds, if you statistics, you will decrease and you will, you know, the over trading. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Now we got the expansion. It's like a textbook day. Okay. We took out one more time the Asia ES also that low out. So for the longs, easy, right? So there is two type of things you can do. You can be aggressive or you can be a conservative. For the aggressive price, you can go long. We invert this and you will have a very, very small stop. But when you see this fair value gap, because this we traded into got rejected and clear out the Asia low. So it's a powerful fair value gap. So we will watch carefully the market now before we push the button. All right. All right, the new, yeah, let me see. Macro start. Macro now. We're about to have inversion from, I believe, from the Asia session. Okay, the ATR is 13 point. I think we're getting a trend continuation. Oh my God. Target is opening gap, ladies and gentlemen. And it brings up 50 points more on table. Let me see, 62. Most of the time it comes back from the equilibrium. Around like a 60 points. It's early to take a position again now, but it's a little bit tricky now, because if you take a short from here, it can do this and put and you end up taking an early short. So you need to be sure. Right. Okay, we need. Let's remove this. Let's do with the high and the session low kind of thing. Okay, I think we can use the AM. Okay, so short will be around here, but if we believe it's a trend continuation. Okay, so I think, yeah, RR is good. Oh my god, 3.5. 10 contracts, right? 500 risk for 770 bucks. Cool, man. Let's see, still early, boys and the girls. One question. Do you guys have any lag more than 10 seconds? Just let me know. Or are we trading into this fair value gap? We already rejected from here. And now this create a bullish fair value gap, which we can use to take a short. 20 seconds. I don't want to take a risk more than 100 bucks, so I think the 5 contract is good. Okay, so bullish fair value gap. Now, two things. The market reverse now or can push down. Now, you know, it's stuck in this two fair value gap, and price will tell us where to go. If it's inverse, it will say, oh, down, man, I'm going for opening gap. If we this bearish fair value gap, it's out the reverse, so just let you know. Being glad understand the macro filtering, if we when that will it give us exactly on time or again the whole session. I think, yeah, Houthi dog said no, yeah, right. Okay, I will answer the question. Give me a moment. 9:55. Okay. No position yet, ladies and gentlemen. You see the sell button here? It means that I didn't push it yet, okay? So the macro filtering does is we have back tested many days and many years. So we know and we figured out there are times market and market delivers. It's not 100%, but I believe it's worked like 80% of the time. You can just go who uses the toolkit. So in the macro times, the tool is giving you the signal if you enable it, and if you do it, it will give you the signal all the time. So it's basically filtering the bad. That's how I want to call it. Okay, we're trading into this FVG now. Do we have SMT, guys? Oh, this is a 5-minute chart. Let me make it 1 minute. Pharisee, careful now. Okay. It looks like I go higher. No lag. Okay, I'm very glad, man. I answered your question. And by the way, guys, feel free to Discord. It's free to join, and we do free live sessions. And we started a live trading session on the thanks to Pharaoh. Pharaoh is doing live sessions this week, tomorrow, and today. Pharaoh, I don't know if the Friday market closed because it's the 4th of July. Maybe the New York session closed, but London session might be open. We need to double on that. I think the props will send the email very soon. But anyway, is in the we literally for you guys to become a profitable. Well, rejection. When you don't have to push the button. Because you know it's not always about the execution, it's always about the mind and the discipline. We called all the price action candle by candle. So now tell anything, it's now chopping. I think a lot of people trade the London session. Phil, I know. Sorry, very sorry about that. The mic, I don't know why it's happening. I have an idea because I increased the bitrate so much. Yeah. I agree, Pharaoh. Really small bullish. Even reject from this theorem of the session. It starts this. I don't know. Let's talk about the risks here. If you go long, right here, lot of bombs, man. 930 is a good target, and we can use this candle rejection. 3R, not that good. Let's see. With okay, 830 maybe, perhaps. Not that good also. Maybe with the small size. 300 for 500 bucks. If we take partials on the way, it's like a trade. Let's see. I somehow think that we can see a rejection from this equilibrium. No rush, boys. I'm just checking the comments if I think no. Okay, today is the last day of the campaign. If you buy yearly on Toolkit, we are giving away complimentary 3 months of VIP access. It's a very nice discount. I think it's every like 3 months, 2 months. Okay, about to get A plus. Now the thing is, Borsa, are you going to see after it appears like with the candle closure? No, I will not take it. Because I want to see a solid candle closure at least above this equilibrium point. And I want to see yes is also following up with the NQ. I don't want to get chopped out here. I don't want to give back what I made, right? So after this beautiful trade, get chopped out. Right? Rejection candles. Come on in. 1:10. It's going up actually. It's reverse. Doesn't doing it very slow. We got the bullish order block here. How many times we got this beer, man? Guys, remember this FVG that took us to Asia low, so it's very powerful. All right, on that 9 second measure. You know, when I'm in matched up, I don't want to miss the entry or something. I drop my like 3, let's say $200. It doesn't kill me, but I can write this $300 more, you know, not. Okay. You don't want to, right? I know. You want to go to the new week opening gap, and you're gonna do it very fast, I believe. With this invert, I think a lot of people already longed, and a lot of people short with this one. If it doesn't mean that the long is wrong idea, but you need to make it more high prob, right? Because just push the button, make it. It's like a little bit lucky trade. If you wait for at least like candle closure above this equilibrium, it's a wise trade, even if you get stopped out. So the bad thing is waiting this kind of confirmation is increasing my stop loss. It's literally one trade, and I definitely will took a partial equilibrium of this 5-minute bearish FVG or the halfway, however you want to call it. Some people on second encouragement, it's too long, man. Okay, is watching the ES pure chop. I see a lot of doji candles. It's been a while that I didn't see that much doji. Look at this now. Look at this doji, the doji. What is this, man? And the doji here, the doji candles, I'm not a fan of it. All right, last 4, it's like a 5 minute till macro ends, then the next macro 10 to 20, it does one specific, which is, yes, you guessed it, the reversal. Okay. We are lack of volume, and now volatility is very dropped. I see aggressive trade here, 3R, something like this, but I still, you know, to take this from here. I don't know. There's a chance. If you guys have any questions about anything, throw it away. Be shy. No question is stupid. No question is unnecessary. Question is a good question. You can ask me any questions you want. And it's a free of charge. The likes are always appreciated. Okay. Look at ES. Look at ES. Look at ES. ES. About to make a new low. Okay, now I'm thinking out loud. Okay, it's about to make a new low. If it's make a new low, the bullish SMT. So in reversal or cast lower if it's happened everything in this macro, which is I don't think so now, but be prepared. Okay. For a moment I got excited about something happened because Dow Jones just made a new session low. You know what is the worst thing in the trading? When you got in a position Oh, we have bearish SMT. Oh yeah. Let me see. Bearish SMT on the upside. Oh yeah. Oh, nice catch, man. I don't. Thanks for letting me know. So the worst thing about the trading, I believe, is when you go into position, right? You did all the calculations, nice risk reward, okay? You're getting one more step to pay out, and you executed. Order filled. It's going good, very good. It's very close to your partial or take whatever. And guess what happened? Someone tweeted, Trump tweeted, or someone says something, and boom, you got destroyed. For G at bottom, so really I don't know too, man. Strange week. I see NFP is not on Friday. There is a bank on Friday. Oh, we have maybe, I don't know. I think we might have. Any idea why? Oh, because no, the Friday is the 4th of July. I think the America is closed. All the United States market is closed due to 4th of July, right? Celebration and everything. Is are always Wednesday or Thursday? I forgot. I need to double. Let me see. It's a forex theory. Yeah, and yeah, NFP is on Thursday. Yeah, NFP is on Thursday. Tomorrow we have Powell speaks again. 10 a.m. PMI and JOLTS job openings. I hate 10. I hate Powell speaks. The market is like this, frozen, not moving, and he speaks so much. He speaks at least like 2 hours, and Friday market is closed. Yeah, I know, man. He speak. Yeah, you guys know. The last week he speak like 3 days in a row. What was that? Now the Trump is always like, I wanna get president who wanna decrease the rates. I think he calls Powell stupid. Oh my God, he's crazy, man. He's literally a crazy. Chopping the market. I think statistically, right? Statistically, because we trade on statistics, at 1020 macro, we will see CPI is actually on 50. Yeah, check that CPI 1 week later this month. So it is on the, we have on 15th. Isn't it delayed? How was your visit to New York? Oh, me? It was awesome. I was in New York, fly to the. It was awesome. It was like 3 weeks ago, I guess. I always love New York, man. Some hates it because it's too crowded, everything, but I think I love the crowd, the cows. Believe it or not, I walk around the Times Square. Energy. Most people hates it. Maybe if I live in New York and see it today, I will go mad. But as a tourist, I like it. I had a manipulation candle on NQ, but not on MNQ. Let me see. Can you tell me the exact time? You mean the session low? 9:51 on the. Yeah, both did a session low at the 9:51. Bearish SMT gone. Yeah. Now, It's very interesting. We didn't miss it anyway. Relax. You don't want to be in this position. Trust me. 10 past 7. Let me see. 10 past 7. 10 past 7. This one. Oh, I see. There is a up. Okay. This candle. Yeah, you know, with the micro stocks, this is a kind of a lack of liquidity, they say. It's a mirror pair, but sometimes it does weeks, less weeks, so and it causes the signal missing. So that's why we always check the NQ for the best signal and the best price section actually. Okay, Trump is trying to motivate Powell to. I'm not sure if he tries to, if he tries to very hard. I'm okay. You took it. Respect that, but yeah, it's a good idea to move at the break even. Because the thing is, the first thing outside of the macro, I'm not obsessed with the macros. I do take a trade outside of macro, but it's the thing is we have 5-minute bearish fair value gap one, right? So you can see a rejection from the halfway of this, and it's also come exactly at 0.5. Yeah, is it really that? Is it a coincidence or is this session high and low? Okay, not this one. Sorry, my bad. Let's take it that way. Okay, my mistake. I don't know what was that 0.5. Maybe from here. Okay. Cool. Now, minutes we'll see the price action. I believe the market started to move. ATR is 12. Not that bad, but I prefer like 15 to get a solid price because we trade NQ, man. We accept the loss. We like cost. If I like the section, I would go for the E, or even slower, go for the Dow Jones. But NQ to go fast, up, take my or take my stop, whatever. Do please when I go into trade. And you know what happens? Most of the time when I go into trade, I execute it here, right? That place, exact movement, support and resistance for unbelievable. Chops, it goes up a little, comes a little, goes a little, comes a little. Makes me laugh. Oh yeah, same here, man. I think the wasn't ever. It's crazy. All right, so 4 minutes. We will get a really nice thing. Let's see. So the hardest point is now. Personally, I don't want to take a long from here. Why? Because target is very close. Stop can be sad, you know. But short is can be very rewarding. So we can easily target the session low. We can easily target the new week opening gap. This is what I at the moment haven't taken trade this AM. The only good thing was this, man. It's good, but you know they like to do this thing. A very big fat candle. The trade. They like. All right. Okay, the bearish inversion now. Interesting. We have a lot of bullish order blocks. Can we make this correct one? Yeah, this is the correct one. This looks bearish to me, guys. Now, as a trader, is to wait for the perfect to initiate a position. It's a long or short, doesn't matter. Okay. Good. Very good. Stopped at break even over well the new MC short on him. Took a short already. Okay. That's a good idea. This time I like. Yeah. Beer shorter block. Session low. 2-hour trade. 2 minutes till macro. What's the risk here? 10 contracts. $400 is cool. All right. The 2 more minutes and we go for the I want to see the end dock. New week opening gap, sorry. End walk. Are on this for sure. 4.2. Can we make this choice? Should have taken it. I think I'm short. That's a good man. That's a good idea. So I will go now with the 3 contracts to test this move. Let me see it. It will fill me up, I guess. Okay, I got filled. So because it can invert this, that's why I wanna be patient. Size, right? Take it. Take partials on the way. I believe at session points. And we can just stop at here. I think we need that, but okay. Be happy, man, if we get the signal on downside one more time. But I believe in the signal though. Still wanna go down. Let's write this one, baby. It's a very small high reward. That's how we like. ES is about to make a session low, so okay. Oh, I forgot to say, always do your own research before you took a trade. Okay, guys, do not copy my trades if you feel uncomfortable. I'm not the best ever, so I can lose money, obviously. All right, like it. A plus is coming. Oh my God. Exactly at the macro starting time. Come on, I want to see this. We took out this low. If you want, you can take a partial. All right. Push it down, baby. Like it. Okay, so I will make this bigger. You'll see. I haven't took this trade yet on the top. 9 seconds. 20 points so far. Okay, got the signal, which is a nice confirmation for me. Said, do your own due diligence, guys. The best trader. I can lose money, whatever it is. So Speed. Speed would be nice. Thing is, yeah, session low. Dow Jones did a session low, so NQ should follow up. The time it how it little torturing. Don't worry, it always happens. So one thing is like to tighten up your stop. You can just put it here if you want. I don't want to see this got inverted, okay? See? Want to close after it's in. Stop at break even. What is your execution price, man? Okay, nice. $830. Oh, you executed on very nice place. Don't come back. Come on. Don't regret. Didn't took a partial. Come on. I don't want to see inversion. ATR is still 12, or is it still the same? Interesting. I thought it was a lag. Speed will be nice. Took a 3 partials. I want to see the flash like this. Okay, I will take a 1 off here. I will make this little tight stop. I don't like when it takes too much time, right? So 1 partial 6. And now we very low risk. No, I don't took this fair value gap of the game. I mean like the invert the Fiji, we good. Yeah, I see new week opening gap too, man. Playing games. $10.27. Most of the time, $10.30 is stock price very fast. 1,600 on the fair. very good, my friend. Oh, you also banking in the London? Oh, come on. Why is so slow? This SMT is dangerous for our bullish FEG reaction. You're literally killing it. Guys, if you want to live with this crazy guy tomorrow, he will trade London session in Discord. Stream is 100% free. Okay, come on. Bup, 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 bup. It's inversing. Okay, the inversion. Okay, I'm closing here, boys, and let me see, let me see, let me see. Okay, I am out. So, big deal, but the green is always green. We got the B class by signal. B classified by signal is interesting. Now we can see an aggressive push or what? Interesting. This could be very good trade. Okay, we have bullish SMT, boys and girls. I just get the idea of the longs. I don't feel close to that. Okay, 10:30. Some moves we should get. So the initial stop loss was here. But we got the two bullish inversion. So we tightened the stop, the trading profit. Took one partial, I believe 15 point, and one is 5. Oh no, 2 point. That's not bad. May push the all-time high. Long only 2 micros. Oh. Oh really? I don't see the longs yet, man. No, it's like because this 5 minute and the 9:30 very close, I don't risk reward here yet. But oh my god, what did I do? But we never know, right? That's a crazy chop now. I don't know. You know, it's delivered already points. I thought it's not that, but it's now it's taking a rest, I guess. Bulls are hitting hard, yeah. Yeah, too juicy, man. I still wanna go short bad. Chart is messed. What is this? Look at the ES. It's disgusting. I hope it's getting lower. Let's see. Market tells me it's long, but I see short, so I use two micros. Yeah, it's. I think. I can think now. The SMT with bothers me. Market tells me to long too. Oh, check what's up. It's good to see you. Yeah, yeah. Back to market tells me to long too. And so yeah, oh, I don't know. They definitely want to take the price higher from this point. If you look, mm, I don't know, man. It's definitely a 50-50. I want to guys go opening gap, but now it's a good trade. We didn't take any loss on this. We closed with the profit, but it's at least I want to bullish order block target hit. Oh man. $100 risk, $300 reward. Because this is how we trade, right? High risk reward. I believe we now in the stuck in this moving average thing, and so the everyone cannot take a trade. Weave up traders, the trend line, the moving averages, the crossover guys. Always stuck. Oh, for the reminder, ladies and gentlemen, day boot camp, trading camp, the legacy. As a thank you to you guys, I can't wait to hear feedbacks on that. I'm so excited to push that pop tomorrow. What a chop, pure chop, man. All right, dropping. The B cell is incoming. Okay. What is this? I want to sculpt these little points forever. Give us something good, market. Anyway, this was a nice live session. I missed so much to do it live here. I think we have little mic issue, which I'm gonna fix that. This is the most expensive mic. Little guy. But I think it's a problem with this live stream settings. It's like infinite chop, infinite chop. Again, one more B signal is trying to coming up from markets now. So if we want to take a one more short, what are we gonna do? Play an aggressive game here, right? Tight stop, fast delivery. Is not good. At least we need to target the new week. I don't know. It's top step accounts. Okay, this is the exact rate. Oh yeah. The good thing about this trade is this volume imbalance here. Oh, come on, you have to do something. You cannot this forever. Yeah, session low. Thanks, Pharaoh. Come on, NQ, follow your friends. Look at the ES and Dow Jones. They just made a session low. You cannot absorb all the same pressure here. At least take this low. Opening price around 8 8 What do you mean? You mean the 830 or the 130? Oh my god. 30. Yeah, possible. Yeah, 950 it's possible. Oh, look at this. Looking good, boys. Still alive. No, it's I don't know, man. What is this? The only good move was the first 10 minutes, literally. Half tick. We have this volume imbalance here. Oh my god. The downside looks more, but rest tells, yeah, it looks like it wanna go up. I know it's literally like stuck in this range though. I can say it's an ugly price. Maybe it's in 1050 macro. Damn, I'm getting. It's not going lower. Yeah, it's. If you confuse the best, is the wait for the next A plus because it's losing. Now, the rest of price action is like hard. It's because the charts is messed up. Session low twice. NQ there. What's going on with the markets? Dow Jones did session high. NQ is closing its eyes. Doesn't care. It just wanna chop. Crazy. Now look what happens. It's pushing back. What's the point of this? Let me tell you. It's a stop hunting. Yeah, okay. But today, like, very, very, I enjoyed so much. And this trade, right? This trade was phenomenal. The best signal of the week comes in the first day of the week. So, guys, yeah, I think that's it. That's all we're gonna do because it's the three macros. Really, the price doesn't seem like I wanna do much. It will run in the PM. I don't know. So, yeah, I'm here, but I will give you good news. We will do this more. I will show up in YouTube more. So if you guys missed me on YouTube, I'm back so bad. So make sure Discord anyway. I'm always online there if you wanna talk to me or ask something to me. One question before I go: where can I get help with the settings? Just join the free Discord. We will help you out. Very easy. Very. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. Before you leave, like button and tomorrow I am releasing of the trading bootcamp. I'm for your support and your likes. And thank you for joining. I will catch you in. See you soon.